Hello, I'm Marilyn Dunn, and I'm here to show you the easiest and best way to make a mask on your own. I've watched a lot of tutorials, I've watched YouTubes, I've read about the masks, and I've tried to take the best things that I've seen in different tutorials and videos and add a few little twists of my own and come up with, I'm sure, is the best and easiest mask to make today. Let me tell you about why it's the best. First, it needs to be tight enough around the face so that air isn't flowing in and out. I've seen in the grocery store people with a mask with a big hole somewhere where air is going in and out. And I can't see how much good that would be. So I want it to be flush with the face without being too tight. Second, I use a high thread count sheeting. I took an old white sheet I had in good condition, bleached it, cut it up in little pieces, and those make the lining for my mask. So all I need is one piece of lining and one piece of fabric. Third, I use a removable, replaceable wire that goes over the nose inside the mask, and it will keep air from coming in and out, and that will also keep your glasses from fogging, which is something to consider if you wear glasses. You can remove this wire very easily. It just slips in and out. You can use paper pipe cleaners, or you can use jewelry wire. I've actually used some twist ties, and they work great. And so you can take them out and sterilize in the microwave. You can't put wire in the microwave. You'd burn your mask. So this makes it nice to be able to take it out and put it back in at your leisure whenever you want. And the last thing is that there's a pocket for filters, so you can put any kind of filter you want in it and take it out and dispose of it. You can use a HEPA filter, you can use a coffee filter, you can use paper towel or even toilet paper, whatever you want to put in there that doesn't have any little holes for a virus to get through. And I find that they're very helpful. I like the toilet paper because it's soft. I put a couple of layers in and it just feels really good wearing it. So that's what I do. Now that's the best part. Now for the easy part. The first thing is you only use one tie. Who wants to tie two ties on your head, and who wants to spend the time making ties on your own? So now that elastic, etc. is very hard to find, we can make easily ties, and then we're all set. I use a minimum of fabric, so that keeps the cost down. You don't need much fabric. Fourth thing is, it makes it easy. You can actually mass produce these very well. If you need to make hundreds or whatever for a medical facility, a nursing home, or some group. So just whip through them. If you can sew, you can make these. Now are you ready? You want to start?